I bet you didn't know your tractor's heart starts with a simple click. Curious? Let's dive in. First up, reliability. A good self-starter motor means your tractor fires up every time. No more frustrating mornings. But it's not just about starting. It's about starting strong. Look for features like internal fuse links for overload protection. Think of it as a bodyguard for your motor. Next, durability. You want a starter that can handle the rough and tumble of farm life. High-quality materials like cast iron or aluminum make a world of difference. Plus, advanced features like planetary gear reduction deliver higher torque, ensuring your tractor doesn't just start but powers through the day. Finally, let's talk smarts. Some advanced models come with smart start technology and remote diagnostics, perfect for keeping track of your tractor's health. So, whether you're plowing fields or hauling loads, a reliable starter motor keeps you moving. So remember folks, start strong to finish stronger. Don't let a weak starter motor slow you down. Thanks for watching and happy farming.